So you're new on Upwork, you're all excited to get those freelancing jobs and you get verified, and then all of a sudden you freak out because you're not getting work like instantly. Well, guess what? That happens to everybody. And I'm going to give you 4 tips that are going to be essential for you to land those first gigs when you first join Upwork. So let's start with number 1, your profile. Your profile actually matters a lot. And the goal of your profile is simple: to build trust. Where do we get trust from? Well, we get trust because it's complete. You fill out all the sections in that Upwork profile. And you don't talk about yourself. You talk about what you can do for a potential client and then prove it with things like testimonials, with work samples, with your portfolio items. You see, so many people get on the platform and they basically copy their resume on and think that's enough. It's not. You have to have a strong profile. Once you have that profile done, number 2, apply to best match job. I'm going to talk a lot about best match jobs in another video, but at the end of the day, best match is a gold mine of opportunity. And where do those best match jobs come from? Well, they come from your profile. And what you're going to find is that the team at Upwork is spending an inordinate amount of time using AI to improve their best match algorithm. So when you're first on, you've got that rock solid profile that builds trust, that shows your credibility, and then you're applying to best match jobs. That's the second most important thing that you can be doing. Number 3, you got to send out proposals. Yes, it's going to be tough. You send out maybe 10, maybe 20, and nobody is viewing them. Well, guess what? That happens to everyone when they're first new on the platform. What you really need to be thinking about is a budget for the connects to send out 100 proposals. Yes, even some of the top freelancers that we've interviewed, their first jobs only came after they sent out 80, 100, 150. It does take time. There is a lot of competition out there. So when you are looking at Upwork, you really need to be thinking, what can I budget, like any other business investment, in advertising? And advertising is spending connects to send out proposals. That's why your profile needs to be rock solid, because if you're sending out all those proposals, they're going to be clicking on it and it needs to be strong. Number 4 is persistence. This is what sets the tourist from the pros apart. You see, a pro understands that it takes time to build a reputation on any platform. There are no quick fixes. There's no subtle hacks that you can do to jump to the top of the list. You basically have to invest the time in your profile, be applying to best match jobs, sending out a lot of proposals that you have budgeted for, and then be always on the lookout for those new opportunities and always replying quickly when someone does reach out. It's designed to be hard from the beginning. I think a lot of people don't understand that. It is designed to be hard because at the end of the day, most people will give up, so that the only people left are the serious freelancers, which is what Upwork wants for their clients. So, in summary, 4 things. Number 1, have a profile that really stands out, that is professional, that talks about what you can do and how you can help and proves it, and make sure it's complete. Number 2, make sure you're applying to best match jobs. It is a goldmine opportunity. Number 3, send out those proposals. And it's not going to be 10, it's not going to be 20, it's going to be 100 or more, and you're going to need to budget for the connects that it costs to apply. And then 4, don't give up. Keep with it. So many people give up, which is great for you, because if everyone else is giving up and you stay there, then you will eventually find success. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to check out our community site at community.pouncer.ai. We have a ton of free resources, and all of the things that I'm sharing in these videos can be found at that site along with our training courses. So go ahead and take a look at it, and I hope this helps.